Hi guys, Sam from Stenhouse Industries here, and I just wanted to spend a bit of time on this video taking you through a project we've recently completed for a client on the Gold Coast. The reason I wanted to highlight this particular project was obviously the COVID pandemic and all the government restrictions being brought into place. It really highlights the importance of having a system like this. So what I'll do is I'll break this down into two parts. This was sort of a two-part project. Basically, we wanted to achieve two things, and the first thing was remote access to this HMI here. And what remote access entails is full control via a PC or phone off-site. So that means the operators of this plant, they can log in to any of the functions that you would normally do on this HMI, and they can make parameter changes off-site. Obviously, they can read parameters too. So that's really beneficial if you've got a plant that doesn't have 24-hour production, or if you've got remote installation that only gets maintained, say, periodically every 3 months or something like that. It's nice to have that peace of mind on the installation itself. So the second part of this project was to set up a program in this V1210 controller which allows for SMS alerts. So we've achieved that through serial connection to a GSM modem, and basically what we can do is any bit of equipment in the plant, as well as this particular controller, we can set SMS alerts. I'll just run you through one of them. So if we look at this tank here now, what I'll do is I'll just force an SMS alert right now, just for an example. So we've got a 10-second delay, just to make sure for any momentary issues in the field. So as you can see, once the 10 seconds is up, we've installed a local strobe alarm up here. The operators can see that from the platforms that they work off. So it just lets them know, hey, we've got an issue down here and we need to come have a look. And as you can see here, we've also got tank PB3 temperature fault. So that's configurable to up to 8 numbers. So you can, whatever operators of the plant you want to know, we can do that. So as soon as that fault clears, so we'll just turn that alert off, you can see that the strobe's off, but the SMS is obviously being set. The last little part of this project was a UPS system. So obviously, if you're going to have a hub here for SMS alerts, you need to make sure that if the power goes out, that you can still receive those SMS alerts. So this UPS will ride through any power outages, and it'll also alert the operators that we've got a power issue on site, and we really need to get in and have a look at this before it causes too many issues. So thanks for taking the time to watch. If you think that this system could be useful to you, just visit the website or get in touch with me and we can have a chat about it. Cheers.